In this video, we'll show you exactly how to start trading futures on Blofin, plus how to claim up to 5,000 in bonuses with the first link in the description. After signing up with your email and password, you can deposit USDT into your account. You can transfer crypto directly, or you can buy with fiat. But I recommend using USDT, since that's what you will need for trading. Once the deposit arrives, move your fund from the funding account to your futures. So you can go to transfer funding to futures. Press confirm. And now you can trade futures. You can go to USDT and futures, and here you can choose your trading pair. For example, I'll use Bitcoin. On the right side, you set everything for your trade. So I always like to use isolated. The leverage, I like using like 25x, but it's up to you. And you can choose a market or a limit order. A market order executes instantly at the current price. A limit order lets you set your own price, and the trade only triggers if the market reaches it. Market orders are a lot faster, but limit orders give you more control. So let's say I want to enter this position with 100 margin and a 25x leverage. That opens up a $2,500 position. You will see it right away on the chart with your entry price, liquidation price, and unrealized P&L. Risk management is simple in Blofin. You can just add a stop loss and take profit directly on the chart by dragging the lines or set them manually before you opening a trade. What I like most about Blofin is the low fees. It's the easy to use trading interface with TradingView charts, and there's a demo trading mode where you can get up to 50,000 in test funds to practice without risking any real money. Overall, Blofin is super beginner friendly, offers solid future tools, and doesn't require strict KYC for crypto deposits. So don't forget, sign up with the first link in the description to claim up to 5,000 in bonuses and start trading today.